Hey y'all, we're spending Valentine's Day weekend RV camping. We're baking heart-shaped cookies from scratch and exploring one of Florida's most beautiful state parks. But y'all, I'm wondering, can you really have a romantic Valentine's weekend while RV camping in the woods? We're about to find out why at Tomoka State Park. So join us. But before we begin, I would like to say a quick prayer. Holy Father, I thank you for all that you have given me. I thank you for the greatness that you shine on me. Father God, you have anointed me with favor and grace. I thank you for your mercy and your love. Thank you, Father God. Thank you. In Jesus Christ's name, amen.
Let's take this show on the road. Same-ish, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown, love my place, but while I'm in my prime, gotta go get away. Hop a train, cop a flight, and ride. Tonight I gotta break free. My job, those boss be working my nerves. Clock out at phone, 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 do not disturb. My boyfriend's cool. I need my girls, the world is ours, so run it up, let's go to a land where we cannot be found. So off the grid, way too little, slow down. No, me and who, when they see me out, booked it cause I'm not waiting around for you. Let's effing go, Miami, let's effing go, Chicago, let's effing go, be more, let's effing go, Houston, let's effing go, Atlanta, let's effing go, Tokyo, let's effing go, Brazil, let's effing go, London, let's effing go, South Africa, let's effing go, Korea, let's effing go.
Y'all, honey is driving.
Yes, yes. It's a beautiful day out here today.
Welcome to the vlog, everyone. Y'all, we in the woods. Guys, this is the program center, and each and every day they have an activity like they have in the Wizard and Wands, and people going to be making bracelets. They do this, they starting this Friday, 1 through 3rd. Program center. And they do have like wash houses, y'all. Like every, like each little street, it has a wash house, like 2 or 3 of them here, because this goes all the way down and around. They have wash and bath house. Like if you look over here, here is one of the wash houses, wash and bath houses. Yeah, this is one of the wash and bath houses here. Very nice. This is the one near us. We're actually on the other side. I told y'all there's a lot of people out here. The places are narrow. They're kind of tight, but it's a lot of people. We'll turn up here. It's a lot of campers out. You guys, we're at the campground. When I tell you, y'all, it's dark out here at night, and y'all, it is the afternoon time. Is very dark at night. You guys, I saw a raccoon standing up on our table eating our dog food. Y'all, look at the woods. Hi, look out here at the woods. This is where we camping. We in Tomoka State Park. It's in Volusia County at Ormond Beach, y'all. So yeah, I'm kind of show y'all around so y'all can kind of see what we see. This is one campsite here, and on the way back I'll let y'all see our campsite. But yeah, y'all, we in Tomoka. Y'all, it's a lot of people out here. Y'all, this is the dump station. Y'all, the raccoon last night, it was bigger than a dog, like a medium-sized dog. He was fat. This is the dump site here. This is where we come and dump. This is the paths. And I am headed to the little general store that they have here at the park. So we're gonna ride over here. But y'all, it's nothing but woods, pure blackness at night. Y'all, they have fishing, they have canoeing, they have sightseeing, they have bike and hiker trails here. Very nice. It's a nice day today. We're going to the outpost. 8 degrees today. Oh, they closed for today.
Yeah, somebody said they don't open till, I thought I heard Wednesday, but today's Wednesday, so I don't know.
Oh, because I came yesterday, they was closed.
I think they probably work weekend.
Oh, okay. And it don't have no store out. Yeah, and you think that.
Hey, look, come here. I need to get my phone. Do you have your phone? No, I gotta get mine.
You guys, I came yesterday, but they were closed. This is what they're renting: the kayaks, single kayaks for $30. Canoe rentals. Yeah, they are closed. So y'all, I'm gonna try to come tomorrow so y'all can see the outpost and see if they're open. So we're gonna head back to our campsite. Quite a few people are here. It's over 150 people at this park on this campground today. Beautiful, beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
I know. So y'all, we're gonna come, and they're not open again today. So we're gonna come and another tomorrow, and hopefully they'll be open. Oh, look at all these beautiful plants. It's beautiful. All these beautiful, beautiful plants. Yep. Yep, so y'all, can you imagine many years ago the Indians, they used to live here, and this is where they used to fish. Got some people coming in, they kayaking. Take the boat out there. They do have a pontoon boat you can take out. These gentlemen are coming back from kayaking and fishing. Hey! Y'all, they do have alligators, raccoons, snakes, all kind of stuff. This is the wildlife, so you have to be aware and prepared. This area right here closed right now, but I just kind of want y'all to see the water level. They talk about the alligators. Got to be careful of that. The archaeologists, the Indians. Kind of give y'all a little view of this so y'all can see. Fish here. You guys, I am walking, get my exercise in on the walking trail. Y'all, it is so beautiful out here. Look at everything. Let's go up this way. Let me see what this sign says. It is just so, so beautiful. Oh, it's breathtaking. There's a little history of the park. This is Chief Tomoki, slain by Othila in defense in the Golden Cup of the Golden Cup. Ooh, y'all, look at these steps. Get down these steps. Look at these steps. This is nice, y'all. See this area? Ancient campgrounds. Wow. Look at that. Y'all, it's so bright out here. I hope y'all can see this. Wow. Y'all see that? Trying to get closer. Look at that. This is beautiful. Wow. This is a huge statue. Wow, that is huge. Y'all, that is huge. So yeah. So if you're out here visiting this state park, it's a lot to see here. Very, very nice. Wow. Continue on my walk. Y'all, it's a lot of people out walking today. It's a very serene and nice park. My husband, he's gone on the bike trail, and he took the dogs with him. So I don't know how he's making out, but I'm gonna go back and see if they made it back yet. Cause he took the dogs walking around, then he said he was gonna ride his bike around. So look here. Y'all, this is beautiful. I'm gonna go here. Let's see what this one says. Prehistoric Native American village. Y'all, it is breathtaking here. Can you imagine seeing the Indians a long time ago pull up with their canoes? These rocks. absolutely beautiful. Thank you. So grateful. Look at the ground, y'all. Look at these. Lots of seashells all over the place. Y'all, look at the palm trees. Just beautiful. Y'all, I'm on one of the walking trails. It is so nice. Just walk along and see everything. And they even have benches if you have to sit down. Got to watch out. Watch out for alligators. Don't want to come across no gators. Y'all, I'm gonna hurry up on through here. Woo! Hurry up on, get on through here. Make sure I don't come across no gators or nothing. Whew, had to run, y'all. They got gators over here. Whew. Y'all, I just want y'all to see what my Valentine week looking like, y'all. We enjoying ourselves out here. It is so much to see, y'all. These are either clams or mussels. They have them like in the bag. I think they trying to preserve them, along the Florida coast. But this is the riverside. Y'all, it is beautiful, beautiful here. I don't have the dogs with me, so I don't want to hang around this water too long. I'm going back on the trail so I can get back to the travel trailer so we can, I can start preparing and getting stuff ready for Valentine. It's a surprise for my husband, y'all. I'm finna decorate and make cookies and strawberries. So join me. Y'all, it's a nice little hiking. They got all kind of nice stuff here. Going up these stairs. It's all kind of stuff. And we're back. We're on the other side of the statue now. Look at these beautiful, majestic oak trees, y'all. Look at there how the Spanish moss hang from them. And you hear the wind whispering, trees blowing in the wind. Y'all, look at this tree. So it has a lot of history. This beautiful oak tree. Hello, beautiful. Look at here. Beautiful. Can you imagine the native people that climbed this tree? Oh, it's so gorgeous. Oh, it's just so gorgeous, y'all. And our campsite, it has a big oak tree where we'll park, y'all. I get to sleep under these luxurious oak trees. Some people out here are in their tents. I'd be scared to sleep in a tent out here because of the wildlife. Y'all, I'm not just talking about like deer. They got alligators. I'm scared of alligators. They have alligators. They have snakes. They have huge raccoon, the biggest I have ever seen, y'all. One was eating my dog food. My dogs kept barking. So I went outside the camp last night and it was pitch black, y'all. I had my like flashlight lantern thing, and it was so many noises that were in the woods, y'all. I was scared, but I looked around. It scared me. It shocked me. My husband said, look, big old giant alligator. Not alligator, I mean raccoon. Raccoon, y'all, raccoon. Yeah, we've been seeing ravens and crows. They've been at the campsite on the table. You know, they advise you don't leave any food out. Y'all, I just forgot. There's another walking trail up through there, but I'm not going through there unless I have the dogs with me. No, I have to bring the dogs, baby. But yeah. All right, y'all. We're going to head back to our campsite. I'm going to show y'all where we at. I'm through with my walk. And here is us. You guys, this is our site. It's so dusty. This is our site. And there's Babe. How was your bike ride?
It was lovely.
Yeah, did the dogs behave?
Trail.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you should see my walking trail.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Doing good though. Lovely day out. It's warmed up really nice.
Yeah.
It was chilly this morning, but it's warmed up really nice
Yeah.
out here.
So yeah. Oh, they hear us.
Yeah, I just put them in.
All right. You want to go somewhere?
No. I just walked in a little bit.
Were they in the cage?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go see what they doing. Dad got y'all locked up. Y'all locked up. Let's see. Hey, Panther. Hey, you. Hey, you too. Okay. Babies. Look at my baby. You ain't been inside, have you, baby?
No, I haven't been inside yet because I know you were playing in something. I've just been sitting out here with keeping the dogs happy.
Okay, I'm almost ready for you to come in, but not right now, okay?
Okay.
Hey, y'all. All right, y'all. I'm going to show y'all what I got going on. I'm going to show y'all. Oh, I'm going to close this door. Can't peek yet. Yeah, he can't peek yet. I'm going to close this door. Close the door. Y'all, this what I planned for my husband. I decorated for Valentine's Day. I decorated our bed. And also, y'all, I decorated in here, and what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna make some sugar cookies from scratch. I'm gonna make some chocolate covered strawberries. Yeah, this the table. I've set everything up right here. This the dog's cages in there. But yeah, I set everything up. I just took some chicken out. I'm getting ready to wash and cut this chicken up. And I have some, he loves steak, y'all. So I got some New York strip loin steaks. And I'm gonna make some chocolate covered strawberries. And I already chopped the chocolate up. I'm getting ready to make those. And I'm gonna make some cookies and I'm gonna dip half of the cookies in chocolate, and the other half I'm gonna make cream, like a glaze to go on a cookie, and it's gonna be this red velvet flavoring. But the cookie itself that I'm gonna make, I'm gonna use this almond extract. See here, this almond extract. There will be almond sugar cookies, and I'm gonna dip half of the heart cookies in chocolate, and then I'm gonna have the flavor of the red glaze. I'm gonna make it a red velvet. See, it says red velvet, so I'm gonna do that. So yes, y'all, this is what I'm doing for Valentine's Day. This is it, y'all. This is it. So yeah, I'm gonna cook him a Valentine's Day dinner. Y'all, we out here camping, and I just wanted to let y'all see we in the woods. We in the woods. It's nice over here though. We in Tomoka State Park. That's where we at, y'all. And make sure y'all watch that video so y'all can see, in case y'all ever want to visit here. It's very, very nice. We've been here for 5 days already. We have 2 more days, and then we'll be leaving. We'll be going to another campground. But y'all, this is our site, and getting ready to start cooking. See, I just kind of like decorated for the Valentine Day. Yep. Just kind of decorated a little bit. Yep. I put that on the bathroom. I didn't do anything to the bathroom. I didn't do anything, y'all. Nothing. I didn't do anything. I just wanted to do something for him so he, you know, could have his Valentine. And I bought him a gift. If y'all watched our other channel, Jacksonville Spice, y'all see we did Valentine's at home, where I made a steakhouse quiche, and I showed y'all my gift. He bought me some perfume. It's called Her Confessions by Latifah. So yeah, y'all. So let me get started, y'all, so I can get dinner and stuff going. And I'm gonna let y'all see how I make these cookies, and I'm gonna put the recipe in the link below so y'all have that, and let y'all see me dip the strawberries and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all that, and then, you know, I'm gonna get ready and cook for the dinner. All right, see y'all in a minute.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do. Like a tattoo. Swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is like I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Ooh, just like a tattoo.
The chocolate up now for the strawberries. Y'all, my husband eating these cookies fast as I can make them. This is what they're cooling now. Getting them out the oven. He's just eating them. So now I'm finna wash the strawberries and get all the strawberries washed up and dried. And I'm melting this chocolate. And I have the cookies, some more cookies in the oven. They still cooking. All right, y'all. Look, got the cookies. I got my second batch in the oven. Y'all, look what I'm drinking. That's why you don't need to drink and be baking. Look what I done, y'all. Here you go get those chocolate covered strawberries. I gotta see if I can get this chocolate back right. Look at that, y'all. I overcooked it. Well, put it back in the microwave and see if because I had it on the stove. So I'm gonna put it back in the microwave and see if I can get it to melt some more. And we will see. Y'all got the strawberries all washed and clean. So I'm ready to start dipping them. But I don't know what's gonna work out. We'll see. We'll definitely see. So I got these. Oops. So got them all clean. So, but I got my last batch of cookies in the oven. So we're gonna see, y'all. The cookies came out good. They are delicious. I was gonna put some chocolate on. I was gonna have like a red covering, which I am still gonna do. And I got some sprinkles that I'm gonna do the red and white on one side and the chocolate. If I can get the chocolate right. I hope I can. But y'all, just in case all else fails, look what I did by him also. Look at that. It says Godiva. So if I can't get the chocolate right on the cookies, I'm gonna put a couple of these Godivas on his plate, and hope he'll like these. You know, decorate the cookies, put a few chocolates and the strawberries. We'll see. Back to y'all. All right, y'all, baby got the chocolate ready. He did that and made the chocolate covered strawberries. They are cooling. So y'all, I put some of the chocolate on the cookies. I'm finna get ready and make the other section of the cookies. He didn't want steak tonight. He told me he wanted some fried chicken fingers and fries. So that's what I did. I cut him some potatoes up And he's gonna have fried chicken tenders that I'm making him, and some potato fries. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm cooking it in some coconut oil. So yeah, just put that in there. And I have some flour, and I just cut some chicken breast up, and I got that fried. So I'm gonna show y'all how I make this other part of the cookie glaze. See, I'm gonna have this part like with the red velvet flavoring, powdered sugar, and a little curl syrup. I'm gonna show y'all what that's gonna look like. I'm finna make that so y'all can see how I made this one. So what I do is I take some powdered sugar, not that much, okay, sugar. We have some Cairo syrup. It's like a royal icing. It'll be shiny, y'all. So I add a little of that in there. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna add a little food coloring. I'm gonna do reds for Valentine's Day. Do red. So, and I'm gonna add a drop of water. Just that much. I'm gonna mix this all together. Oops. Add some water. Not a lot. Maybe I add too much. Let's see. All the lumps and bumps out. I didn't bring my piping bag. Usually I bring the piping bag, and I'll put it in a piping bag so it can go on kind of smooth for me, but I forgot it, y'all. But it's still gonna come out good, and they're gonna taste good. Now I'm putting a little of this in it for flavoring. Just a little for the flavor. And again, that's the red velvet. It's gonna have a good flavor to it. So I'm gonna do this one. Yep. See that pretty color? Yep. Ooh, look how pretty that is. Go put them over here and let them dry. Okay, y'all. Then just on this side, okay. Then a little of that flavor on these too. So yeah. You know what? Okay. All right, everybody. Dinner was lovely. Now I'm packing up These are our strawberries, y'all. They turned out magnificent. Look at the chocolate. We got the chocolate covered strawberries. Y'all, nice and hard. Chocolate turned out really good. So yeah, here are the rest of the cookies, y'all. We have ate so many cookies, and we sat outside and just ate our dinner and ate our cookies. And y'all, look at all these cookies I got left. So yeah, I'm packing up. And if you haven't had a nice Valentine, y'all, happy Valentine Day. Yep. So we're taking it in for the night. Y'all, we finished it. Look, all gone. All gone. So yeah, y'all, these are really, really good right here. These are Godiva Masterpiece Decadent Dark Chocolate with Ganache. Try this. It's very good. All right, y'all. What's wrong, baby Joy? Y'all, we're coming in for the night. It's dark. Hey, Joy. Say hey, YouTube. Come here. Say hey, YouTube. Joy. Look, Panther.
Get over here. Get over here, Joy.
All right, you guys, the outpost is open today. It's a little dreary day, but yes, I'm glad it's open. Yep, it's open. Okay, Panther, y'all stay in the car. I'll be right back. I'm gonna be right back. So y'all stay right here, okay? Nope, stay. No. How you doing, Dave? Y'all, they have firewood. This is the firewood that they have. S'mores, cooking, bug stopper, enjoyment. Firewood. Y'all, this is nice. Firewood. Yeah. It's real nice. Let's go into the outpost. See what's going on. It is finally open. Today is Thursday, so they open on Thursday. This all the stuff that they have here. They got Cajun boiled peanuts. Then they got firewood. Y'all check this out, y'all. Look at this big old cedar. It's called the crow's nest. That is so funny. All right, y'all. I promise y'all to see the outpost. This is our last day here. We're gonna be leaving and going to our next destination. They don't really let you film in the inside because they don't want y'all to see this overpriced stuff. But anyway, y'all, we had a wonderful time. I got some firewood. We're going to make a fire tonight. And then, y'all, we're going to head out in the morning. And I thank y'all for always watching our videos. I hope y'all subscribe because we're on a journey. And you guys, I want y'all to come along and see some of the things. If you're out there and you missing travel and stuff, watch our videos and, be a part and join with us and do what we do and see what we see. It's like you there with us. We thank y'all for watching, y'all, and y'all have a wonderful week and Valentine's Day.